Good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Dixie on a daily, well, 4-hour time frame. Due to the fact that we are actually breaking out of the levels that we were looking at, I had an alert here that tapped. Now, what we are doing is filling out this consolidation. A warning is that Dixie is rallying as well as Bitcoin and ETH. Everything is rallying up together, and this is one of the conditions that I was hoping was gonna occur, that the inverse relationship was gonna break and we'll start correlating together as we run together. Well, let's see if that plays out. On the daily, we had a doji close yesterday. We have continuation already after daily close. We're brushing up against that 103.80 level that I was waiting to claim. So today the goal is to get above that 103.80, 104 level and to close. And then we will look to test into this previous order block resistance. And if we can claim it above 104, 105, then we will see a fast move up into new local highs, and that will be the break of structure for the continuation to the upside I've been looking for and waiting for a while. I'm also looking at my EMA that's creeping up above my pink EMA, showing me yes, upside is starting to trickle in here on a larger time frame basis. So keep aware that, hey, if we get rejected from here today and we get downside, cool, that makes sense. But if not, and we do get the open and close above that 200, that we should look for continuation. And that the fact that right now Dixie is breaking out as well as Bitcoin and ETH, that is a very, very interesting correlation. Now let me go to Bitcoin on a daily, and it's mainly ETH, but let's go to Bitcoin. And we are basically right at the 27.2 that I've been talking about, 27.2, 27.3. Now, if we can get the daily close above this level, I'm still going to see resistance at 27,700. But after that 4-hour open and close above that level, I would be looking for the next level of resistance, which is probably going to be around 29,000. And then after that, we should probably be 30,000 and 31. It's going to be like $1,000 increments after we get above 27,700. So be aware of that. Even though that we are consolidating here for days and days and days, this pop-up still has not broken out, and then rejecting from here and doing a very mean drop to the downside because Dixie is rallying is a possibility. So don't get too gung-ho and excited about this all just yet. Just giving you that warning that you are moving against the normal trend. Right now, you are just claiming the largest EMA. Opening and closing above it is very good. Now you want to hold this $27,200 level and continue up and break above 27.7. If you get this resistance over here, then the risk of us sweeping for liquidity down much lower, much harder, much faster is still there for that $25,000, $500 level for support. Just a quick sweep of this liquidity, basically. So be aware of those levels moving forward. Um, Now let's go to a daily on E, and then we'll just make it the fastest video ever today. Here is E. This is our third lower high. Even if we can't get the daily close above this, you should be prepared for resistance because you just made a big head and shoulder here. And yeah, we're looking for the close above 1860 on the daily. If we don't get it, then yeah, we can look for a rollover and a test back into that 1810, $1,800 level. And then if we can't hold that this time, then obviously we can get much deeper into 1770 to 1700. So keep in mind of that. Right now, it is a higher low. So for this to actually get up and about is possible. We just need that to happen because it, like I was saying, in this uptrend, that head and shoulder could have been a fake out. And it's starting to mature into that possibility. Unlike Bitcoin, ETH is above the 200 EMA and looking for continuation up. So maybe ETH will be the leading factor today to drag Bitcoin up with it. Volume is kind of lackluster, but until that 4-hour closes, I'm going to just let that ride. And then when New York opens, we can look for probably continuation if there's good news between the government coming to a debt ceiling agreement or not. So that's what I was going to show you on Bitcoin, ETH, and Dixie. The last thing I can show you, go to Ripple. Ripple. Just because Everything is moving. Ripple is the only one that is somewhat stagnant. Turn on all the indicators. So this does look risky because this was the short for Ripple. Or sorry, that wasn't the short. That was the top of the golden pocket accumulation. This is the bottom of the golden pocket accumulation. But if you were taking profit from the, I mean, if you were taking the longs off of the 200, this would be a good area for you to TP, take some profit. Now, what I'm saying about this warning is you want to claim the golden pocket and then go to the next level. I'm still looking for that 50. I'm still looking for that 60. But this grind that's happening here is looking like it's going to consolidate a little bit more because you are above the EMAs, but the EMAs look like they're about to cross over. So what we need for Ripple is the buyer to step up and get us above 47.5 cents. And that will prevent this cross from crossing down, and we will get continuation to the upside. And then we can get to the 50 cent and 55, then 60. So right now, Ripple is right in the middle of a consolidational fractal pattern. Once this is completed, we can see where the next target is, but I'm still looking for 50 cents and then I'm looking for 60 cents on Ripple. So just be aware of that. If you look on the higher time frame, you can see that it's been accumulated on multiple times. Multiple times it's been getting higher lows, and this is also a higher low. I would just like this weekly to actually claim above this for continuation farther. Otherwise, if we reject here, Ripple can come back and test back into 38 cents, and this time it could go lower before actually making a new high, because this is officially turning into a bear flag now. So just be aware of that moving forward. Aside from that, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, leave in the comment section below. If you are interested in trading with me live, feel free to join me on the Discord server. We will try to go live today. And if you are interested, the link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend. So thank you so much. Have a great day, and I hope to hear from you soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.